What are the values of x, y, and z respectively in the equation? Solution. The first thing we'll be doing here is to write out the equation given in the question. After writing out the equation as it is in the question, we will be rewriting out the equation again as though we do not have any unknown, that is, we do not have the variables of x, y, and z. Then what we'll be doing next is to balance the equation, because looking at this we'll discover this is not a balanced equation yet. So let's balance the equation. Where do we start from? We have copper, we have hydrogen, we have nitrogen, and we have oxygen on both the reactant side and the product side of the equation. So let's see, copper here is 1, then copper in the product side too is 1. For hydrogen, in the reactant side we have it to be 1, and in the product side we have 4 times 2. The 4 here is affecting all the elements present, so 4 times 2, that's 8. So let's start with hydrogen. If you have 8 atoms of hydrogen in the product side, then we'll be having 8 in the reactant side as well. So I will write, I do not want to make this equation rough because we are coming back to it, so I will write another one. So here now we've gotten 4 from the question, so I'll be writing 8 here. Since we have 8 here as a coefficient, it will be affecting other elements present in it. So for nitrogen now becomes 8, but coming to the product side, we have 2 multiplied by 1 here, that's 2. We have 2 nitrogen present, and here as well we have 1, that makes nitrogen 3, and we want nitrogen to be 8. What do? If we have 2 here, we have 6 left. Here now 6 divided by 2, that's 3, so I'll be writing 3 here as well. So let's see if nitrogen is now complete. 3 multiplied by 2, that's 6, plus 2, 8. So we have nitrogen to be balanced on both sides. Do not forget copper is still left here. So now for oxygen now. Oxygen, 8 multiplied by 3, that's 24. Let's check in the product side. 3, we have 3, we have 2, so let's multiply everything. 2 times 3, that's 6, times 3, that's 18. Out of 24, we are left with 6. So checking here, we have 4, we have 2. So let's add together. 18 plus 4, that's 22, plus 2, that's 24. That means oxygen is balanced as well. So let's go back to copper. Here 3 is the coefficient, so 3 multiplied by 1 here, so we have 3. So let's add 3 here as well in the reactant side. So let's see, I think everything is balanced now. So let's go back to our equation here and fix. So we have 3 here, we have 8 here, and we have 3 here as well, and we have 2 here. So now we can say we have a balanced chemical equation. So let's replace the values. We are asked to find the values of x, y, and z. So here x equals 3. For y equals 8, and for z, that's 2. So then we can say x, y, z equals 3, 8, and 2. We should be serving as the final answer. With this, we've come to the end of the solution to the question, and that will be all.